Hello, my name is Isabella Del Prado, and I've created an app on code.org called Medical Data on the Go. The reason for my app is that there are times where doctors receive patients from accidents and they do everything they can to help save that patient's life. But instead of helping their condition, they worsen it because they don't know the patient's whole medical background, which is where Medical Data on the Go comes in. Medical Data on the Go gets all your medical information. Gets all your medical information just at the touch of your fingertips. So the first thing I did was design my app on the design tab. So I clicked here on design and I just dragged a bunch of buttons, labels, text inputs, and text areas, also screen. I used buttons to move in between screens, labels to tell you what to type in into either a text input or text area. In screen, and I use screen to add new screens. So as you can see, with all of these 4 or 5 components, I can't count. 5 components were used to design my app. Once I finished designing, I went straight on to coding. I programmed my buttons to move in between screens and save all the information you type in here. So some of the blocks I used were on events and set screen, which you can find at the UI controls. Then I also used functions, and then that was just to move in between screens. Then two for the buttons to save your information. That's when I went onto data and used a create record block. And like to get the variables and everything, I went over here into variables and I used some of these. So when you run my app, as you can see, click here. So I'm just gonna put Isabella. Oh, I didn't spell my name. Okay, I'm putting Isabella Del Prado. For the rest, I'm just putting Tess. And now as I'm clicking next, as you can see over here in data, the data is already, it's getting recorded. So this is my app. Thank you for listening.